Hello friends, in this video you will learn to solve level order traversal. So our task is you are given a tree and you need to do the level order traversal on this tree. So level order traversal of a tree is breadth first traversal for the tree. So we need to know what is the breadth first traversal. See this, here is the one diagram, tree diagram is there. If you want to find out this breadth first traversal, so you need to take the first one. Then after you need to take adjacent of this one like 2 and 3. Then after first adjacent of this one we need to take that one adjacent. Then after see this, after first is one is the first one, then you need to take adjacent of this 2 and 3. Then the first adjacents, see 4 and 5. See this. This is the way to we need to continue up to end of the tree. See this. Level order traversal of above tree is first 1, then 2, then 3 adjacents of 1, then 2 adjacents 4 and 5 like this. So see this. Our input string is when the tree is like this, the input string like this. See this. 1, 2, 3. Then null because this have no child nodes, 2 have no child nodes, that's represented by nn. Those are the nulls. Then after 4, see this, 1, 2, 3, null 4 like this. So the constraints, limits. Number of test cases are 1 to 100, number of nodes are 1 to 10 power 4 and data of a node is 1 to 10 power 4. Example, input, first line is the number of test cases and second line is the tree representation in this form 1 3 2. Nothing more. See this is the tree representation like this 1 3 2. So the level order traversal would be 1, first 1, then this adjacent comes from the left to right, 3 is the first one, 2 is the second one. See this. We need to print like this, output 1 2 3. For the second one, 10 adjacents are 20 30. 10 adjacents 20 30. Then take 20 adjacents are 40 60, but 30 adjacents are none, so it is not printed any more values. We will solve this level order traversal by our code. What is our task? You don't have to take any input. You need not to take any input. Just complete the function level order. This order that takes node as parameter and print the level order. The new line is automatically appended by the driver code. So we need not to give the new line also. See this. Our code will start. So I follow the hints. Level order traversal, you had need to use a queue. So I will go with the queue. So I take the node because I'm taking the address of the I will explain this one. This address, this node address, I want to store the addresses of this one instead of values. See this. Then after creating the queue, I just pushing the head one node. Nothing but this address, first node address. Then after I am using the while loop. Why I am using while loop is, see this, the second hint. Push the root in queue, and while queue is not empty, just keep on printing the front and push the left and right child of front if they exist. So I follow this rule by using a while loop. after while. So Q empty equal to false. Then we need to check first if Q friend left not equal to null. Then we need to push Q push this value left child address. Why I am using this is you need to know the logic what is going on. If you take 10 address, then after you need to take the left one 20, then the right one 30. When this is 20 30 comes, you need to remove this 10 and print the value. 10 is printed. Then after 20 adjacents comes, 20 comes. 20 adjacents are 40 60. Those are entered into the queue. So 40 60 is after entering this place. Then this prints. This value prints, 20 prints and popped out. Then after this 30 comes. Then 30 children are not there. So none can enter into the queue. Only 30 will prints and this is popped out. Then after 40 60 remains. 40 checks. 40 they have no child. So it prints its value 40 and then it popped out. Then 60. Same way 40 60 also have no child. So it is prints its value 60 and it's popped out. Then queue is empty. This while loop comes out. See this. I am checking left one. Left child. Then after I am checking right one. Is not equal to null. Then I am pushing this child. This part into queue. Then after what I want is I want to print this value. Which node is there? 10 is there. No? I want to print it. See out. Q dot friend. Data. So then after I want to pop out the 10. After printing the 10, it push the 20 30 into the queue. Then it prints the 10 value and popped out from the queue. Then after 20 comes, 20 childs enter into the queue, and same way what I am explaining just before. So that is happened. This is code is completed. So check it out. See this. Printed. Same way. Whatever expected output is there, our output is same. Then submit. It is successfully submitted with the execution time 0.01. So, happy to see you. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe now. Hello friends. To see the more videos, click on subscribe. To get the notifications, click on bell icon.